One, two, three, go. Shalom, shalom, everybody. It is I, Svusi, your sister in Christ. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Wow. Um, as you can see by the title, it says quick updates. So this video is going to be quick. I'm going to try and make it as quick as possible. I know I talk too much, but I'm going to try and make it quick. So, lately in my heart, I've had it in my heart, to make a few videos that I have in store for YouTube. I just want to update y'all so that you know what's coming. Okay, so the videos that I want to upload, it's the video, like the very first one. I wanted to be the video where I share to y'all my testimony of how I got saved, or must I say how God saved me. Yes, and then I also want to share with y'all the inspiration behind the song that I wrote, which is titled "We Can Speak Healing into Existence." I've posted it in this channel before. If you haven't watched it, please do. I'll leave the link in the description below. And then I also want to share with y'all my story of how I became a songwriter. And then yesterday, I was at church. It was Sunday yesterday, and I was blessed. It was a very, very powerful sermon. I was touched, and I also got inspired. So very soon there is also a song coming up. I'm not gonna say when will I sing it in church, but the day I upload it, that's when you'll see that. Oh, here's the song. I know I'm not a good singer, but hey, yeah, what can I say? When God inspires me to write, I just write the songs and then I'll sing them. But maybe one day, I'll have singers who are going to sing, the songs that I write. It's one of the reasons why I even upload them on YouTube. It's because I want them to, inspire others, and then they can sing them or whatever. But I'm just really hoping that this YouTube channel not only just be about fun, but I also want it to be inspiration and blessings, because that's what I'm all about: laughter, inspiration, and blessings. So yeah, just positive vibes. So stay tuned for these videos, and I believe that they will bless and inspire you. Yeah, so I'm not gonna announce when will I upload them, but just stay tuned. The day you see me upload, then you better watch, and I will be looking forward to seeing your feedback on the comment section when I upload those videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. That's all I wanted to say. Just wanted to give you all a quick update. Stay blessed. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I have to always thank y'all for that, because I see the numbers are going up and up, from time to time. So I really appreciate that. Thank you for each and every like, every share, every comment. I love and appreciate you all. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Bye.